Hi, I'm Kurt with Marcy Glass Products, and today I'm going to be demonstrating our incredible professional grade underglass moldings, or as we like to call them, the PUGMs. So we use a high grade, fully synthetic rubber. The benefit of that is it remains incredibly flexible even in the cold temperatures. Okay, now I'm going to show you a few techniques and a few cool features of this product. This one in particular is the PUGM 3, which is the most popular that we sell. And this one has a built-in edge guide, okay? Similar to the PUGM 2 and the PUGM 6 as well. Now, the benefit of that is you can apply it to the glass quickly and easily without having to eyeball it. And so you get a nice straight line every time. Now, another key feature of this product is the tape. So we use an automotive grade HATS tape. And you also notice that it's a dark tape, so that way it blends in with the frit, so it doesn't show through like the bright gray tapes of some of the other products out there. Now, with the tape that we use, it's incredibly strong when it bonds to the glass. Not only that, it's repositionable. So I'm going to put a little bit on here. So as you can see, just quickly and easily fit it on to the windshield. Now, after you get it started, go back and give it some nice pressure to get that good solid bond. You can see, I mean, just already it's got a really, really good bond to the glass. Now, I mentioned that it's repositionable, so I'll show you that. You can take it off, you can put it on a different spot, and it'll still stick. Okay, and this is without using any kind of adhesive promoter or anything like that, just the tape. So put it on again. There you go. You can see it's on there solid. So now, when it comes to cornering, it does corner exceptionally well, but on a really tight 90 degree, there's a little trick that I like to show people that'll really allow you to get the best looking corner possible. So I'm going to get this started again. So what you want to do is right here at the corner, right at the apex, what I use is just a razor blade. Just make a little slit in the molding, something like that right there. So that's essentially an indicator cut that tells me where I want to make my final cuts. Now, what you would do is you would peel it back off far enough that you put it onto your cardboard reel. Now, right along that line that I made, right there, okay? So that's where I want to make my final cuts. Basically 245s. So one cut, and then a second cut, okay? Now, the key trick and technique is to leave just a little bit left intact, as you can see right there. Okay, so when you go to fit it back on, that first indicator cut you made should give you the right position and length in the corner. So when you go to fit it together like this, you can see that you have that nice pointed look in the corner. So it looks like an OE molding, but for a fraction of the cost. Okay, now, and you can see that also this is the third time I've used this molding and it's still sticking, very firmly to the glass. Again, showing you that it's repositionable. So if you move in closely, I will show you the 7 different profiles that we have available. I use the PUGM 3 here, okay, which again is the most popular, but the 2 and the 6 are the same type, okay? It's a foam underglass with the built-in edge guide. So all very popular as they're incredibly flexible and easy to work with. Now, a cool thing about the 7 here, which is our newest profile, is that it has this little upward curl at the end. And so if you've ever experienced a molding rolling under when you go to set the windshield in, that little curl here is going to prevent that from ever happening again. So if you come in closer once more, I'll show you just that. So you can see again, it's got that little curl, okay? So when you go to fit it onto the windshield, it's going to counteract the curvature of the glass. So it sits up. So when you drop it into the vehicle, it's just going to naturally grab the body and roll up. Now, another cool thing about the 7 is that because this part is flat right here, if you want to come in a little bit closer one last time, is that because this is nice and flat, you can move it in and out depending on the application that you're working on. The benefit of that is you don't have to have a bunch of different reels in your van or in your shop. Just one will do a lot of different applications. So to recap, what we have is a high-grade, fully synthetic rubber made right here in Columbus, Ohio. That's going to corner better than any other molding on the market. It's going to grip better than any other molding on the market, and allows you to recreate these part-specific looking moldings for a fraction of the cost. So it's important that you go out and buy yours today so you can do this work tomorrow. Thanks for watching.